I'm Jane Roche and I'm the proprietor of Catch of the Day, which is a fishmonger's here in Cardigan. Catch of the Day started because we felt that there was a gap in the market for local fish. We were trying to get local fish for our cafe, Fishermans Rest, and found that we actually couldn't access it locally anywhere. Did some bit of research and found out that we could get it and actually supply it to customers if we registered. Myself and my husband Richard, who are partners in the business, are actually novices at this and have actually learned those skills of fishmongering ourselves. We've been able to go on courses that have been supported and funded through the seafood cluster and also through Cambrian training, and actually get those skills of filleting fish and fishmonger skills and qualifications. But we also want to make sure that the next generation are actually getting an opportunity to do that, and therefore by having staff working for us, we're giving them the choice to be able to come and learn and do those, as well as also having a trainee coming on board as well, so that the traditions that we're learning of fishmongering can continue and be carried on. The fish that we get in at Fishermans Rest does vary from where it comes from. We try as much as we can to get as local as we can. We've got to be aware of obviously the sustainability and the stocks that are actually available now as well. But during the season we do get the lobster and the crab that are actually from the bay here in Cardigan. So Cardigan Bay, the actual boats that go out from here and the registered fishermen, we can get from them. And then the rest of the fish that we get are all coming into Milford, and obviously therefore a Welsh fish or fish from the British seas as well and around the island. With the seasonality, we then do look and vary what we have on offer, both on the actual fish counter but also in the actual cafe as well. And then we do vary what we put on our menu. And when we started the cafe 6 years ago, never thought about it. Always thought we'd like to put fish on the menu, but never thought that it would be that we would be the people actually opening a fishmonger's, in the cafe and actually supplying the community with that fish. And as well as promoting the river and the fishing industry as well, it's given us a real passion for that as well, and to make sure that's a little something that we can keep going here. We call it our little gem in the Cardigan Bay, so we hope to keep that gem going.